Today we will see the early humans, their modes of communication, means language and art.
Have you ever thought of what is so special about our language? The most common answer is that our language is amazingly supple. We can connect a limited number of sounds and signs to produce an infinite number of sentences, each with a distinct meaning. We can thereby ingest, store, and communicate a prodigious amount of information about the surrounding world. It has also been suggested that our unique language evolved as a means of sharing information about the world. But the most important information that needed to be conveyed was about humans, not about lions or bisons. Our language evolved as a way of gossiping. Humans being a social animal, social cooperation is our key for survival and reproduction. It is not enough for individual men or women to know about whereabouts of lions or monkeys. It's much more important for them to know who in their band hates who is sleeping with who is honest, and who is a cheat.
So, when did spoken language emerge? Spoken language emerged as early as 2 million years ago.
It has been believed that brain of Homo habilis had certain features which made it possible for them to speak. Except the changes in brain, the evolution of vocal tract was also very important. This development took place around 2 lakhs years ago. It is more specifically related with modern humans.
How did spoken language develop? There are many views regarding the development of spoken language.
Firstly, hominid language involved gestures or hand movements. I have already told you about hominids. Now you have to tell me who were hominids in the comments below. Secondly, spoken language was preceded by vocal but non-verbal communication such as singing or humming. And thirdly, that human speech probably began with calls like the ones that have been observed among primates.
In the initial stage, humans may have possessed few speech sounds. Gradually, these speech sounds may have developed into language.
Another suggestion is that language was developed with art around 40,000 to 35,000 years ago.
The spoken language are closely associated with art because both of these are means to express ideas.
A number of paintings of animals have been found in the caves of Lascaux and Chauvet in France and Altamira caves in Spain. These were made between 30,000 and 12,000 years ago. Paintings were associated with rituals and magic. The art of paintings could have been a ritual to ensure a successful hunt. These paintings include the pictures of horses, bison, deer, ibex, rhinos, etc. It has been believed that these paintings were associated with rituals and magic.
It has also been said that probably these caves were meeting places.
Here, small groups of people used to meet each other, or these were the locations for group activities, probably to share techniques of hunting and knowledge. These paintings and engravings could have made to serve as the media for passing information from one generation to another. It is important to keep in mind that the use of language proved advantageous in hunting expedition as well as in the construction of shelters by early humans. The ways of pattern of constructing their shelters. They could consider the ways and means to protect their shelter from predators and severe storms. Now they could collect and share information about the specific regions where wild animals reside, as well as tools meant specially for hunting